Coming up, I unbox the brand new fragrance I've been talking about, Elle from Arquiste. Stay tuned. Welcome back, everybody. This is Joel the Nose coming to you from Miami as always. And today, a little bit different video. I think I've only done this once before. And I'm going to do an unboxing of my newest fragrance that I've added to my collection. I think I've said it before in other videos, guys. I don't collect fragrances just to have, and that's great for those that do. You know, again, everyone has their own preferences, but I only buy bottles that I know I'm going to wear. So I don't have, for example, hundreds of bottles, you know, in my dresser or on my, you know, closet or on the wall or on shelves. I, you know, literally only, you know, like to carry a few at a time because I like to enjoy them and wear them, and then I rotate them. So when I make a purchase, it's, you know, kind of a big deal for me because, again, I know that this is something that I've already worn a bunch of times. I never blind buy. I wear samples probably 3 or 4 times at least, see how the first impression, the dry down, the sillage, the projection, the longevity, all that, and then I make my decision. So without further ado, I have mentioned it in one of my recent videos that I reviewed Elle by Arquiste, the New York American and with also Mexican influence house. And without further ado, you can see here, you've heard me talk many times about Osme, my local perfumery where I get all my stuff and samples and sniffings. And so just to let you know also, Maurice sprayed on the top on this tissue paper the female version of Elle, which is called Ella, and I love it. This is something that's going to have to be given to, you know, eventually to someone in my life when that happens. So very nice. So you can see there, and here is the box of Arquiste Elle. You can see Elle written down here. Very nice presentation. Let me get my utility knife. And I don't want to, okay, there. So let's open this up. Okay, again, you can see, oops, I don't want to, the box. It's a very nice white box. It's got this like kind of grayish black strip. It's like painted on. On the back, just to read, it says, this is what it says, December 1978, Armando's Le Club, Acapulco, Mexico. Nighttime at Acapulco, Acapulco's sultriest disco, revelry on the dance floor. In the heat of the moment, he smiles coyly and motions to the beach outside, excuse me, hinting at a midnight swim. He unbuttons his shirt, flashes bronze skin, and the scent of his cologne, a classic muskiness loaded with patchouli, oak moss, and elegant woody notes, a masculine impression of a day under the sun, intensified by the thrill of the night. Notes include Greek laurel leaves, clary sage, Moroccan rosemary, Egyptian geranium, cardamom, cinnamon leaves, orange flower water, black buckwheat honey, patchouli, oak moss, vetiver, castoreum, civet, and Fougere accord developed with Rodrigo Flores Rue, the nose, the perfumer. Guys, here we go. The unveiling. And look at this presentation. A nice booklet. Let's see what that says, just real quick. Ooh, okay, it's very nice. It's a book with a bunch of their other fragrances listed here in the descriptions. One of these I'm doing a review on. You'll see recent Anima Dulces. So this is very cool. I like it. Very nice. They give you this much information on the brand. Okay. Eau de, it's an eau de parfum, it says here. It's sitting on like kind of like a little jewelry box type felt cover with a nice circle, and you've seen me talk about or show pictures in the store of this, but this is L, folks. Designed by an architect who is the founder of Arquiste, historical preservation architect. I love it. This is, to me, looks very classic, simple, masculine. Just says L Arquiste. So first spray, I'm going to wear this today, of course. Oof. Those first couple sprays, once you get that, the initial thing out, I go back there, I go back to the skin, and then there, and there. I love it, guys. I'm not going to go into a review. You can check back. I'll link up a review I've done of L, but this is pure, I'm just going to simply say, pure modern barbershop. You like that classic fougere barbershop? This goes back to the beginning of time when it comes to fragrances. The fougere, the original men's fragrance really is a fougere, the French fougere. This is it. So anyways, I hope you guys liked the unboxing. And again, you can see I got a beautiful presentation. There it is again. And if you want to leave comments, please do so. Let me know what you think. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Those who have, I really appreciate it. As I've said before, Santa may bring you some extra Christmas gifts this year if you subscribe to my channel. So that would be really cool. Hope you're having a great day, everybody. And I will be back soon wearing my beautiful new L by Arquiste. Have a great one.